Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox installer not working. First things first, you want to go to the control panel, then click on Programs and Features, then you want to select Roblox Player, and click on Uninstall. Run then the Roblox installer twice, then you want to execute the installer once, and then run it again. Once Roblox has finished downloading, you want to press Windows plus R for you to be able to open the Run dialog box. Once it's open, just type in percentage, local app data percentage, and press Enter. And then, you just want to open the Roblox folder, and now you can try to install Roblox again, and the installer should be back to normal. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.